Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm gonna teach you how to write an essay because I've been recently been doing papers and haven't been uploading any videos, so I might as well make a video about how to write an essay. So what you're gonna have to do is, what are you gonna write your essay about? Well, it could be like a book about, I don't know, public speaking or whatnot. But mostly some of these are gonna be articles. Not that one. But mostly, I've been doing New York Times, going through the health page, talking about like Alzheimer's, um, whatever this is. Cell phones are still safe for humans. We already know that it's kind of safe, but I'm gonna teach you the basics on how to write a perfect essay, and most probably get an A or maybe a B, whatever is close to not failing. Okay. So, yeah, let's just kind of start. First, you're going to have to start by opening a Word document. Yeah, Word document on a Mac. It's okay, fuck. Word. Come on. Microsoft Word. Yeah. 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 Waiting a good 30, 20, maybe 15 minutes. I don't know. I wasn't really counting. You're gonna get your Word document up, put on full screen, and you're gonna want to start your essay with the word "the." And then you're gonna want to close your computer, mind that for a few minutes, make it, load. Go to the kitchen. Go downstairs and thaw out your beef ribeye thin sliced meats. Wait for that to thaw down and start on cleaning your freshly skillet pan to saute your garlic, onions, and other good vegetables for health. Um, get your preparations ready, like your butter, probably some soy sauce, of course your oil. I'm gonna need more vegetable oil and garlic. After you got all your preparations ready, which doesn't really look like much, but of course we're gonna add salt and pepper and thyme and all that other good shit. You're gonna wanna move your pan to the stove and put it on, let's see, that's still thawing. I still gotta prepare my garlic and whatnot. So what, like a medium or high medium, not too bad. And as soon as you get that done, you're gonna want to sharpen your dull ass knife because, hell, I don't know. Wash it off, get all that nice and clean to cut your garlic, mince it down, saute it in the pan with your butter and whatnot, and then add your shit. Yeah. So since we're waiting for our pan to like kind of heat up and our meat to thaw down, we're gonna get our garlic and probably just get like 2 cloves, not a problem. There's food right there. I don't know why I'm cooking. But we're gonna move that to the side and act like we didn't see it. By the way, it's pretty good. Eggplant and Parmesan cheese, you also try it. But right now I'm teaching you how to write an essay, so don't get distracted. So get 2 cloves of garlic. Pretty fucking easy to do with one hand. Make sure you don't bruise it so the juices are still there and the aromatic chemicals are there. See, I learned that from organic chemistry. Not really much of a fan of it because fucking. So after opening up your garlics with one hand, which is not really much of a problem, you're gonna want to mince your. I'm holding the camera. You're gonna want to mince your garlic. All right, so. That one's not really pretty good, so we're just gonna throw that out. We're gonna mince your garlic and make sure you don't go too crazy. Fuck. You're mincing your garlic into fine pieces, and your family coming in. No! And then ignoring your sisters. You're gonna want to take your ingredients into the kitchen while ignoring your sisters. Move. Oh, no. After that, you're gonna want to oil your pan and cover it, or halfly cover it with some oil. Yep, banana. And then you're gonna want to move this. I don't know where that came from. Get your butter and add that into the pan. Yep, banana. Since the meat isn't really thawed down, we're gonna put it in a little tiny bowl.
Banana?
Yeah. What do you want to add into the essay?
Yes.
Okay. So as soon as you get everything kind of thawed out, most of everything thawed out, you're gonna want to add your butter into the skillet with your garlic, spin that around, and grab some thinly sliced meat. It's really fucked up, but make sure you don't waste any of it, every single one. We'll slightly season it with salt and pepper, thyme to add some flavor into this essay of ours, and yeah. Ugh. And that's how you write an essay.